Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka Paid Trader. Just checking in, getting ready to rock it with our pre-market analysis. I'm just gonna get that done for you guys real quick. Pay attention, so then that way you guys can have an idea and understand how I set up my LOIs for the day and trade off of them. All right, here we go. All right, so first off, we're looking at the Euro Yen. I already started with these LOIs. My support and resistance levels are, done from the daily down to the 15-minute. So I do the daily 1 hour, 15-minute. And every so often I'll throw in a 4-hour. But let's take a look at what's going on. So let's grab those numbers. So the next level of interest is 1436. So I just simply pull this up from here. 1436. Boom. All right. The next one after that, 1413. Let's grab it. Boom. Done. So now I have my levels of interest set for the day. And now, if we take a look at the Euro Yen's range that we're in at the moment, it looks like it's attempting to break that range, heading up towards an LOI and some resistance. We also have downside resistance in the LOI close by. So what I'm looking for here is, as usual, bounce off of one of our LOIs. But I'm curious about how much further it has to go up north. So for that, let's head over to the 1 hour, see what's going on. So it looks like we're definitely coming to some resistance here. And then let's head over to the daily. Okay, so it looks like we bumped up against our sorry, I was just thinking. So it looks like we bumped up against our action line. Looks like we're breaking through. The next ultimate stop would be obviously for this resistance area up here. Let's see how it handles that trip up north. I would anticipate a pullback right about now for the Euro Yen. So maybe you might want to look to play this to the short side for the next couple of days. But as usual, always let the market dictate your actions. Let's see here. We got a nice solid uptrend. That's pretty. Okay, shoot down 15. Yeah, I'm the story I'm getting is that the story I'm getting from what the charts are telling me is that we should look for a downside day here. So now that is the deal. Now let's shoot over to the pound dollar. All right. Boom, look at this. We've got some resistance. We got some crunchy action going on here. It looks like we're setting up a range. We'll be looking for a bounce off of this level right about now. It looks like it could be setting up for some partying on Main Street. Let's see here. Partying on Main Street. Yep, that's what I'm gonna be looking for. A bounce off of here, off of this level. Boom. Okay, now in terms of our levels of interest, let's mark those. Okay, so it looks like we are looking at 22.54. I know it looks like it's a ways away, but stranger things have happened. Okay. Next level of interest, 22.12. Okay. Our downside level of interest is 21.39. Alright, right about in there. And then 20.96. 20.96. Alright. Down here by its lonesome. Okay, so what are we looking at here? I'm feeling a bounce off of this action line. We'll see if that happens. Yay or nay. It looks like it's really trying to push through. But we definitely have some action going on down in this level in terms of a possible reaction for our scalp long. Okay, now I'm going to toss in my aggressive levels of interest. $21.86. 21.86. I'm going to make you what? Sure. Okay. And then $21.62. Okay, so as you can see, it is bumping up. Prices are already bumping up against our aggressive level of interest, as well as what I gather a little piece of action. Boom, boom. So that's the deal with that. Let me throw my aggressive levels of interest on the euro yen, and then we're good to go. Okay. As with the pound dollar, we have bumped up against our aggressive level of interest. Ooh. Okay, so the high is 21.87. So there we go. And then excuse me, guys. Whew. Shouldn't hold that one in, but didn't happen. So let's rock this, guys. All right. So we have our aggressive levels of interest set up. Cool. So look out for those. Look out for the headwinds for any of your trades. You have a lot of stuff going on in terms of possible places where price can pause and take a pit stop. So just keep your eye on the ball. If you guys have any questions, just holler at me. PaidTraderForex.com or also on Alps Social, like it says back there. Alps Social /PaidTrader, and let's get it done.